So here's the dealio, folks. I had planned to put the Seagull in the sky today to bring you guys a Seagull view of what the snow looks like, but between yesterday and today, the wind is ridiculous, hitting about 22-mile-per-hour winds. That's like the very end of the threshold for most drones. Now, I did put the drone up for a tad bit before it got worse, and I got some stuff in North Wildwood and some other areas, but because of how bad the wind is, the gimbal just shakes so much. But I still wanted to give you some kind of footage. So I took the best of the stuff that I did shoot, and I decided to put it together for you. I know it's short. I apologize. I wish it wasn't as windy. For those who know, in the off-season down here, it is just unbelievably windy, and add in a snowstorm. Yeah, and it's also really cold, so batteries don't like that as well. That being said, before we get started and I play it for you, make sure you subscribe, you turn on notifications, you give this video a thumbs up. A special thank you to our patrons on patreon.com, I'm so sorry it's so cold, who allow us to actually make videos like this, who allow us to buy new gear. This year we're saving up for a new drone, a new Seagull. If you want to support this channel and then have your name at the end of the video, all you have to do is click the links in the description below. I'm so sorry, it is so windy out here. Let's go ahead and just play the video. So there you guys go. Like I said, short but sweet, and you got to see at least some of the stuff. There's a fighter jet. Can you see that? You probably can't see that, but that was a fighter jet flying over a snowy. That's an interesting way to end the Seagull footage. Anyway, I want to thank you guys for joining me. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, turn on notifications, give this video a thumbs up. I'm Joey. Stay safe as always. I'll see you on the beach, which is right over there. It's too cold for today. I'll see you later. Bye.